Welcome to Space Track channel. I'm sorry for the delay in uploading videos, but I will try my level best to be consistent. So in this video we will learn about Q-links. We are actually progressing and we are learning about blogging, about YouTube, about affiliate marketing, and whatever the growth of your business requires. I will try and cover as much as possible as per my experience. So in this video we will learn about Q-links, as I said before. Okay, Qlinks is actually an affiliate platform which lets you become an affiliate to many brands, of product and services. Okay, now Qlinks, you may be thinking that Qlinks is same as Earn Karo or Cash Karo. So you can say that, but it has got many things. It is you if you compare Earn Karo versus Qlinks, there is a huge difference in that, okay, which I will tell you later in this video. First we will learn how to sign up for Qlinks. So let's get started. We will type, and so once we type Qlinks, I will mention the script, the link in the description, okay, and I will click on sign up. We will learn right from the scratch. I have an account, already have an account, but I'm creating this account just for your knowledge. So I will type my name, okay, I will type techno, okay. This is just as an example. You will type your name. For example, your name is Rohit Sharma, you will type Rohit and Sharma, okay. So this is just as an example. I am creating this account to show you how to sign up, okay. So my email address, I will type in my password, okay, and mobile number is must, because you will receive all the update there only. So it's important that you put the correct email address. You will keep yourself updated with the new campaign that Qlink is running. You might receive a OTP also. Let's see if you will receive an OTP here or not. If you have a company, then you can write your company name. If not, then you can simply write your name or your website or the channel from where you're going to drive traffic to earn from the Qlinks. Okay, Qlink, that means the affiliate program that you're going to enroll. So for example, if you have a let's say a Facebook page, you can type in there, okay, and if you have a website, then you can simply put the website name, okay. I have a website already, I'm going to use that, okay. So I have a website and I will type in that website name. Add a channel name if you want to give that website channel name, so you can simply write that and click on sign up. Okay, you have to write the entire domain name, alright, and hit on sign up. So once the sign up is done, Qlinks will email you the verification link. You will receive your link over here. This is the confirmation instructions for confirming that you are now an affiliate to Qlinks, to many affiliate products in Qlinks. Okay, this is how the account is created. Alright, now you can successfully log in by your same email address that you have used, and I will type in my password and you will enter in your account. So this sign up process is was only to let you know how to sign up for the Qlinks. Alright, instead you have already logged in and you know the sign up process by now. So in the beginning I told you I already have an account and I've earned little bit from it, because I'm not really consistent again. So I have earned little bit, and I will be consistent more, so that we can so that I can earn more, and you can also earn and replicate this idea. Okay, so without any delay, let's let me log into my account. Okay, so this is my account which is loading, and you can see my earning also. I've earned 60 rupees. Let me tell you, I've recently joined, and it's not been so long that I've joined, so it's been recently I've joined. And as you can see my interface, you can see the dashboard also, the dashboard, how it looks like, and they have a Telegram channel as well. So in case if you wish to join the Telegram channel and be updated for any new deal or offers from the merchants already, then you can simply join the Telegram channel by downloading the Telegram app in your mobile phone. All right, the best part is QLink has got a mobile application as well, so if you want to download it, you can download from there. Earlier I had, right now if it is available then you can download, but earlier I had this mobile application also. So let's get started. As you can see my dashboard, how many clicks you will have your visitors to click on your affiliate link, how many transactions they will make, what is the conversion rate like, what will be your earnings. So I've earned 60 rupees already. This is my last 7 days data. So if I click on this month, you will see how many clicks I've got. Like I've got 11 clicks, and I was promoting Bluehost India, Bluehost and Namecheap. Okay, I wrote articles and I was promoting this link on various social networking sites such as Facebook, Quora, Instagram and Pinterest. So you can do so, but you need to be very consistent and you have to build your audience by providing them valuable content. All right, so this is the interface looks like, and your sign up process is done, but the approval process may take 24 to 48 hours, or depending upon their team. So once they approve your account, you will see this interface. All right, now the interface, the dashboard looks like this. You will see the click versus earning graph. You will see the pie chart on what are your top performing campaigns, what are you exactly promoting. I will come to the campaign explorer shortly. Let me just explain you about the first dashboard. Keywords, like I said, it will convert your text automatically into links. Your keywords will appear as a link. If you use this, you have to view the settings, and then accordingly whatever content that you have, you simply have to run it, copy paste it, and they will convert the keywords into links. Now second is Q widgets. Now Q widgets is what is a small banner that you see, a small banner of let's say Flipkart, a small banner of Adidas. So once you click on the Q widgets, you will get some code which you have to paste on your website or wherever there is a code option available, blogs, website. You just have to get the Q widget and then paste it over there, and your banner will be ready. Choose the product or service accordingly. Updates, whatever updates. So let's say if any any merchant has paused their campaign, or any new campaign has come out, or maybe there's a update in the payout, you will see all the updates over here. Like 7 hours ago this update has come, like new campaign has been launched, 6 payout updated campaigns, 5 paused campaign, and you will be sent an email also for the same. So this is the latest update of QLink, and similarly you will see every update over here. Now help links. So here all the support center, whatever help that you may need, you will get it from your any documentation, any FAQs that you want to read, anything that you may require help in QLink, here you will get. You can update your subscription, and if you have a blog, you can simply click here. No, not your blog, this is QLink blog. So any query that you may have which is mentioned in this blog, you can simply go through this QLink blog. Okay, and you will see the top 3 SEO tools to help optimize your campaign. So everything will be updated over here. The way if you have a blog, the way you update your blog, QLink does the same. It is a monetization tool, so obviously they will keep yourself updated on various ways to promote their affiliate link. After all, they will also have to earn their profit. Okay, now let's move to Campaign Explorer. I'll quickly do that. Okay, now this is the best interface. Okay, here you will find whatever that you want to promote. First of all, you are not just limited to India. There are so many countries which participate in this QLink program. Okay, there are many countries including India. If there is any product which has a global reach, you will see the campaign over here also. Like I said, Amazon India, okay, AliExpress, all right, Shop Clues, okay, these are Amazon and AliExpress is an international, has got international reach as well. Okay, and all these are, the rest are Indian brands. You can simply click here. Let's say if you want to promote shoes, okay, if I'll type shoes, what will appear? Let's see. Okay, Crocs, Metro, Adidas, Reebok, whatever brand they have, and along with the payout, how much commission will you get, that will also be available. All right, and if you want to see every campaign page wise, simply click on view all campaign and accordingly select your product or service and start promoting. Let's say if I want to promote Adidas. Okay, here there is one thing that I would like to bring to your notice, that not every product or service will allow you to promote their product or service through affiliate link or widget or whatever that you choose, because that is subject to approval. There are some brands which prefer good amount of traffic whichever medium that you're using to drive some good revenue, okay, through your traffic. Obviously all are subject to approval, so you will not get approval on every product, but most of them that I'm promoting, be it web hosting, be it anything, let's say Tata Click, okay, or books or Acer laptop, I am getting approval. If you have a blog or a website or a Facebook page or Instagram page which has got a good amount of followers and there's a good traffic, like I said initially, all are subject to, if your account gets approved, that means you will be automatically affiliate to many brands. But there are brands which prefer, even they prefer to approve before allowing the user or the affiliate marketer to promote their links. All right, this is a disclaimer, so it is all subject to approval, but most of the brands are open. Let's see if I can get to promote this. And if you are asked, see, the commission here is, if I am promoting Adidas affiliate program, okay, here this is my account and I've used my blog, so I'm approved. But the brand also needs some time. They also review your application based on your account and whatever. They will also review your account and accordingly allow or disallow. So as you can see, the payout is 12%. Whatever the person makes the payment, does checkout in the bucket, I will get 12% of the total basket amount. Okay, let's see if I'm able to generate link or not. Okay, I am able to generate link. Always shorten it before promoting it. All right, once you shorten it, it will become like this, and then copy paste wherever you want. If you're writing about Adidas affiliate on Quora or any platform, use this link, and if the link is allowed, then you can simply copy paste this link in your content. You can highlight any content, you can make any keyword as your link. Okay, fair enough. So you have understood about Campaign Explorer. All right, now let's go to reports. Here you will get all the campaign update. We have understood about Campaign Explorer. We will move to reports. Here you will see the same thing that we have got on dashboard: your performance, campaign total, the campaign that you're promoting, the channel that you're using, how many channels of promoting your links that you've got. You have a website, you have a blog, you have a Facebook page, Instagram page, what. So you can simply mention the link of that particular platform and then accordingly proceed. So transaction that you will get, we have seen everything in dashboard, earning report, and the products that you're promoting, and the pie chart that we have seen initially, same. Now here comes the Q-Link part. If you want to promote Q-Link referral program, you can simply click here, copy this, and start promoting your product. Ask the other user to become an affiliate, and that person will also start earning, and you will get 25% of what the other affiliate will make for the next 3 months. All right, only for 3 months. All right, so this is how you will earn. You can ask people to become an affiliate the way you have become. So I will mention this link in my description. I will be happy if you could use my link and become an affiliate. The rest is your call. Okay, you may be asking about the widget. This is how the widget looks like. Okay, Q-Links widget. This is the code you will get once you select Q widget and select the product. Okay, this is how it will look like. All right, installation. Okay, here you will have the JavaScript. If you're running a blog or a website on a JavaScript, you will get the code. Okay, I will click on it. See, this is the Facebook page I've got. You can like it, okay, I can simply copy paste it, okay, and simply put it in my blog. All right, or you can simply install it using the JavaScript install. What you have to do is copy this, put it in the header of your website or a blog, okay, save it, and then put the link of the same website or a blog where you have copy pasted this code, and click here, check installation. If it turns red, then you have been accepted, and automatically the Q-Link will be activated on your blog or a website. All right, similarly the same goes with Android. All right, you can install SDK, automatic link conversion. Every user clicks will automatically redirect via your affiliate links on the fly. All right, sit back and relax and get paid. So if you have a huge amount of traffic in your Android mobile application, this is what you have to use, automatic link conversion. All right, so it has got many brands like Flipkart, Myntra, every Indian brand, and some international brands as well. All right, keywords we have already covered. Every text in your content, every keyword will become the link. It will become hyperlink, and people will be able to make purchase from your affiliate link, and you will earn from it. Q widgets, we have learned about Q widgets. All right, so these are the products that I'm promoting. I'm writing a lot, deal, coupon, widget. Okay, you can target your audience, you can read about it in the Q-Link blog which we have mentioned. Okay, so resource center, again all this information that you can easy to read and understand. All right, and offers that you can see. Plus, if you like to see your account, see, as you can see in the offers, you will see these are the updates. Okay, what coupon code that you use, and you can allow the user, or you can write a content about it, and you can write simply about the healthcare or whatever, fashion, and put this deal code. Okay, and you can ask, simply write in the content, if you make a purchase, then you can use this this coupon code to, you will get a 25% sale on a minimum cart value. Very simple. We will move to account. Now account will have my profile, okay, my name, my publisher ID is already mentioned, okay, my address is mentioned. All right, which I can very well edit here. My channel, when I say my channel, initially also we have seen that my channel means your blog, your website, or any page that you are promoting on Facebook, Instagram. That domain URL or that particular URL which you are promoting on will be mentioned in your channel. Okay, your subscription, now your subscription will have the following updates. You will get the update accordingly. You can subscribe to everything. That means if you want to get updated on the campaign, any deal update, daily transaction report, weekly, you can simply click as subscribe and save it. It is automatically saved. Link managers, okay, so this is how it is done. Link manager is very simple. You can invite, you can email, okay, you can simply put your email address and, or put someone else's email address and inform whether they would like to be a part of your Q-Link. All right, next is payment details, how you would like to be paid. Okay, you can simply put your bank account detail. All right, here manage bank details, I have already entered the bank account details here with my PAN number. This is how you will be paid. So their minimum payout I think is 100 rupees. All right, so this is how it is done. And then finally log out. So hope you have understood about Q-Links in detail, and next time we will meet in some new video. And as you can see, 60 rupees I've already earned, and I'm looking forward to earn more, and I'll be consistent, and I hope I will earn as much as possible. You can earn too. I will mention the link in description about the Q-Links referral link. You can join the program and accordingly promote the products. If you're a good content writer, if you're a good content creator, you can earn as much as possible. So on this note, I will end this video, and I will request to please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and on what you want me to make a video, I will make accordingly. Till then, have a great one.